Here's a secret side hustle you must know about. Just using this side hustle, some of my friends have been able to generate over $10,000 a month passively. Let me hop on my computer and show you how this works. The first step is we want to go to a website called Zillow.com where we can find properties to rent. We can go through and see all these different types of properties. Now, for example, let's say this one. We can rent this property for $2,150 a month. However, if we go over to a website like Airbnb.com, we can see that many people are listing properties right here. Now, I found this property right here, which is very similar to the one we found on Zillow. Now, all you have to do is list this property that you're renting from Zillow onto Airbnb for a lot more, and you get to keep the profit. So if you list that property on Airbnb for this much, and you're renting it for this much from Zillow, then this is your profit that you can keep every single month as people keep renting. This is absolutely incredible because you can rent multiple properties at once, creating tons of passive income. Now, this method works incredibly well, but it's actually not my favorite. If you want to discover my #1 method to make money online, be sure to click the link in my bio here. And also be sure to follow me so you're always aware of these side hustles people don't want you to know.